Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem B'Karkadash, Barakathon to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Aqua Fanasi Shalom. And this is a recent news article from November 20th, 2025 at 4:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it reads, it says, the stocks tumble. Nasdaq closes 2% lower after a stunning reversal on AI Nvidia stocks. It says stocks fell on Thursday as the market-wide rally sparked by a blockbuster Nvidia results and guidance gave up steam, and investors lost hope that the Federal Reserve would cut rates and again in December. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 386.51 points, or 0.84%, to settle at 45,752.26 after a rally more than 700 points in sessions highs, and the S&P 500 share 1.56% at the end of the day at 6,538.76, despite the rising as much as 1.9% early in the day. The Nasdaq composites fell 2.16% to finish 22,078.5, down from the 2.6 advance at one point in the session. It says Nvidia reversal drags a broader market down. Shares has gained much than 5% after the chip maker results better than expected quarterly results and the upbeat four-quarter sales forecast. However, the stocks ultimately closed down 3% despite the CEO's Jensen Huang's reassertions that demand for current generations Blackwell chips are off the charts, and also rejected the idea of the AI bubble. But concerns about the AI stock valuation returns, with investors also pondering the impact of on the sector if the Fed doesn't lower interest rates further. Oracles and AMD were among the first AI plays to fall into the red on sessions, following by Nvidia. It says adding the downward pressure was a shutdown delay. September jobs report showed the economic added 119,000 jobs, more than economics expected, following the data latest Fed funds futures adding showing that more than 40% odds that the central bank would cut for the third time this year next month, a negative for investors betting on lower interest rates. So as again, the markets as of today was down, tumbling to close. The Nasdaq was 2% lower after a stunning reversal of AI Nvidia stocks. So hopefully that. So as of today of November 20th, 2025 at 4:25 Eastern Standard Time, the Nasdaq Industrial Average was down 386 points, and the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 was all down today as well too. I believe the Nasdaq had early earnings, but it went down lower, tumbling as the aftershock reversal in AI Nvidia stocks. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying. With that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem B'Karkadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, in His own begotten Son Ba'Shem, in the name of Hamashiach, Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew of the Lashon Kadash tongue. And I say Barakathon to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Aqua. Till next time, I say Shalom.